Hey guys, welcome to Solutions Room. In today's video, I will be showing you how to get that natural but thicker looking eyebrow shape with makeup. You can use any eyebrow palette. I will be using a non-expensive drugstore eyebrow palette. I bought this from Super Drugs for around about £2 to £3. It comes with a cute little brush and a tweezer. I have my own brush that I'll be using only because it has a longer handle. We will also need an angled brush as well as a brown mascara in the shade Brunette. So first things first, get a tiny bit of Vaseline on your finger and apply it on your eyebrow. It will just help the powder to stick on your eyebrow better. You will need your brow brush them out, then pick up the shade that you're using, mix it with the black if you need to, align the bottom of your eyebrow like so. Now align the top of your eyebrow, then start filling in the mid section. Then slightly move towards the front of the eyebrow. Just make sure you go lightly over this area so it doesn't come out looking unnatural. Wipe any shade that's on your skin. You can use your finger. I personally like to use my finger, or a face wipe, baby bum wipes, anything really. Now apply some brown mascara to keep the hair in place and make them look thicker. And there we have it, guys. I find this eyebrow look very natural and perfect when you're in a hurry. This isn't for someone who's going for a heavy makeup look where you need to apply concealer over concealer. If you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone in need, and subscribe so you don't miss out on any solution. Please don't mind my panda eyes. Bye for now.